There are so many reasons why you are unable to gain weight, and the most important of all those reasons is what you're eating. You might say, oh, but I eat a lot and I eat as much as I can, but it's not about just how much you eat. It's about what you're eating and how you're doing it.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
So the first thing I had, or the first recipe I always take, is rice and chicken stew. This is quite easy to make. All you have to do is parboil your rice and then you make chicken stew and then you add to it. The second recipe is oha soup. If you're Nigerian, you'll be conversant with this kind of soup because it contains chicken, it has beef, you could put as much assorted meat as you like. Very nutritious. And then I also have this oats recipe. This is actually on my channel, so if you haven't watched it, you could go to the weight gain playlist in the description and get the recipe. And this is jollof rice, fried chicken and sauce. So this is really nice. You just make the jollof rice and then you just make fried chicken. You make sauce with the fried chicken, like peppered sauce. It's really delicious. And this is a cornflakes recipe. It's also on my channel on the weight gain playlist. You can check out that for the recipe. These granola bars are also on the weight gain playlist on my channel. They are amazing. I'm going to put the calories for all of this so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. These things are amazing. And also you want to have beef and sausage jollof. Even if you don't have chicken sausage, any kind of sausage you have, it's good to eat sausage. So you just make the rice with the sausage and the beef and then you have some salad on the side. This sweet potato porridge is really delicious and it's so amazing and so easy to make. I haven't made a recipe on this, but I'm going to do it very soon. Then you want to have beef jerky. We call this kilishi. If you're Nigerian, you know what kilishi is. This is so nice. This was the peppered one. The next one is smoothies. Smoothies cannot be overemphasized. I have a ton of recipes on my weight gain playlist. You can check that out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. This is a protein drink. And trust me when I say it's not your regular kind of protein drink. You don't even need any blending, but it is so amazing. The recipe for this is also on my weight gain playlist. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Check it out. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all these recipes and you're able to try them out. You don't have to eat them as much as I did to gain weight, but guys, they really helped me gain weight and I loved and enjoyed all of it. Yeah, I know I'm just being silly in the video, but you could tell that I am chubby. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to enjoy more exciting and entertaining videos. Bye.